Hi YouTube. My hair got long. Alright YouTube, today I have 2011 Toyota Prius. And this one they was saying that noise creating. So he was telling me that maybe he's undercover or the rear wheel cover that hitting the tire. And he was telling me, okay, his bumper is like this, so it could be the bumper, but the bumper does not make high-pitched noise or anything like that. Bumper is only when you go to a high speed, wind hit it, then you hear flopper like that. Then it's let's go test drive to see what's going on. Okay, I can hear rubble noise already. That a lot of noise. And listen to this is more like a driver's side. Go drive faster so it will tell me the bearing or not. At 30 mile per hour, I can hear noise increasing. Okay, 40. A little bit noise when I turn my wheel like this. Okay, this side's quiet, this side's noise. Okay, but let's go faster than this. Let's go like 45, 50 mile per hour. Sometimes you go low speed, you can hear the noise, but it's not clear enough. But when you go higher, the pitch is higher and higher. Right now it's 45. Okay, I can hear louder. 50. You see that? When I turn to the left, more noise. When I turn to the right, a little bit less increase. Okay. Do it again. Left. See that? Right. So when I turn to my right, the noise is steady. But when I turn a little bit on my left, the noise is increasing, like a grab more on the left side. But when I hit about 15-16 miles, I already have that noise up. Not sure if this camera can catch it, but I think it should. Okay, try it again. Left. See that? Increasing more. Let's do it right. Nothing. So do a left, it's more. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is a bearing because 80% of this kind of test you can tell it's a bearing, but sometimes you can't tell that it's the left side or right side. When I sit on the driver's side, it's increasing noise from the driver's side, but if you sit on the passenger side, it might increase on that side because you're not too sure. The only way to get sure is get the cars up and take the axles out and spin by hand. Okay, so let's go do that. See ya. So you're making left, increasing like crazy. In the old day, it's a rear-wheel drive. You can do seesaw like this, and you can feel it, But on this, it's a front-wheel drive, so seesaw don't really work, But I can hear a little bit if I spin like this. Yeah. Okay. To confirm, I will take the axles out and spin it. Let's go try the other side. Okay, let's try the passenger side. And this is a lot quieter. Okay, so definitely I will take the axle out on the driver's side and spin by hand to see if that will be the bearing for that. Okay, on this right here, you have to use this axle, so you have to be careful with taking this nuts, because if you don't take this very clean, then this can cut down the tread of the axle. So make sure you open all the way. Okay, you can use a screwdriver. I use this punch, and a little bit safer because that rubber can protect my hand from it too. Okay, and 30 millimeter 12-point socket, that's what I use. Okay, to using this screw here to stop this spinning. So I'm going to put right here with the rotor, so it will stop like that. It won't turn, but when you use impact, but this is just for to help protect it. Okay. Okay. It's clean. So that means there's no grinding right here. That's pretty good. Okay, that's free. Okay, I'm gonna take my rotor out. Okay, these are 17 millimeter. So using impact and socket. Okay, in case you have this, rust and stuck on it, so what you have to do, just this, hit on it, not this, because you're going to damage your disc. Okay, so plastic is what you're hitting. Okay, this is a socket 22. Mostly Toyota will have socket 22 on this. Okay, and okay, we'll take this out. And make sure the ABS sensor is not attached to it. So let me take ABS sensors out. And that is a 10 millimeter right here. All right, you see it? Look at that. With the axle, you can hear pretty bad. Okay, and this is very simple bearing too. The back here you got 14 millimeter holding the bearing. Okay, so let's just take those out, and then you can take the slide the wheel bearing out. Okay, I turn this way so I can use my impact. Okay. Pretty easy on this. And now just falling apart. I don't even have to pull nothing on it. Okay. So simple and easy. See that? Okay, to install, very easy. In case you want a part number, that is your part number. But I couldn't get anything from their store, so that is the one I got. Okay, and to install, put this place here. You cannot be missed because you can't turn any other way, because this 4 hole here is narrow and wider. Okay, this is the only way that you can not be missed. Okay, and simple way. Make sure you clean it here. I did clean a little bit already, and this axle right here kind of rust, so I'm going to spray some, the knocker or whatever, loose penetrate, so that will beat up the rust in the old bearing a little bit. And this right here match pretty good. So like I said, this side is more narrow and that's more wider, so just stick this in there and screw slowly, make sure it's fit. Okay, don't force it. Okay, not sure how many foot-pound, but This is a 14 millimeter. It cannot be 80 pound or it cannot be 100 foot-pound because you're going to break it. Okay, so they don't, I can't find exactly, but I would say between 40 to a 60 foot-pound. Okay, I'm going to use approximately the same as the rear one because of 14 and 14, so it's a 14 millimeter. So I'm going to use about 66 foot-pound on this. Okay, you can go anything higher, but I don't recommend it. You might break this thing here. Okay, that's good enough like that. Okay. All right, approximately 66 foot-pound. Don't go too high. This is a 14 millimeter. They may not hold up. Okay, let's do the rear back. If you don't have a torque wrench, you can gassing. I will say it. Gassing is not accuracy, so you can do renting a torque wrench from Auto Part. I think they do have for renting. Okay, put the top one. Okay, this one they require 166 foot-pound. Okay. All right. Okay, the caliper bracket here also requires 67 foot-pound on this. Okay. Bottom one. Okay, and the axle nut also require 159 or 160 foot-pound on this axle nuts too. Okay, so spin, do the same thing using screwdriver to hold it. Okay, that's it. Punch the axle nut. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go test drive again and same route to see if the wheel bearing is still making noise. Okay, approximately 20 miles and no noise. Okay, 38 miles, and doesn't matter which side I turn, it's consistently no noise. So which is the bearing is been fixed and the other opposite one is not making no noise. So, and it's not a difficult fix, so some people they will fix both sides at the same time, but my opinion, whatever it broke, fix only that side. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye bye now.